Hello, my name is Lily, and I'm here with another quick little tutorial video. In this video, I will walk you through how to replay a disappearing photo on Instagram. When someone sends you a disappearing photo or video via direct message, you can simply view it twice on Instagram. If you go over this process that I'm about to teach you, you'll be able to replay it. So, without further ado, let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Instagram app and log into your Instagram account, and when you are on your home screen, select this button in the top right-hand corner of the screen to access the direct messages section. From there, go to the chat where you received the disappearing photo or video. One thing to keep in mind is that you will only have two main options to see them. You should either watch it first and then screen capture it, or you only have those two chances to see it. Go ahead and view the photo. Click on that and you can just see it. And then once you exit out of it, you still get yet another chance. As you've seen, it's not highlighted in blue anymore, but it's highlighted, and then I can go ahead and tap that once more, and that'll be my final chance to view it, and then after that, you won't be able to view it at all. So, the first time you see that message, make a screenshot of it if you just want to keep replaying it. To screenshot anything, you should simultaneously hold the volume down and power buttons, but keep in mind that the method for taking a screenshot varies from phone to phone. Also, keep in mind that if you screenshot this, it will notify the person that sent you this photo. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that you were able to replay any Instagram photos or videos that have disappeared. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video.